Hi everyone, hope you're well. Here's our work list for Wednesday, 20th of January. So again, it's the workload isn't as heavy today due to our Zoom call, and we might even be looking at some of the work in the Zoom call. Okay, so if you can get as much as done before the Zoom call, that'd be great. But obviously, don't be putting yourself under too much pressure, and we might do some of it together at the Zoom call as well. So we've got Better English page 62. It's the whole page, but it's quite simple. It's just some of the small, short word activities that we would be very well used to. We have our Zoom at 11, so please bring your maths, your Better English, and something to write on. I will put the link up on the classroom, but I'll also I will have the link here on the document that goes up onto the classroom page. The link to Zoom will be here, but I won't. I just don't have it here for the video, okay? Because it works easier for me to put the videos up on YouTube first, and because just to avoid any issues there with people not in the class seeing that YouTube video and seeing the link. So I won't have that link there on the video, but it will be in the Word document that's on the classroom page. Better English, your maths, the usual things. And for Gaeilge, we'll have a page from Buan na Cainte. Again, we're going on more with our Cov Aimshirí, so we've got new phrases, new Cov Aimshirí, and a bit of a written exercise if you get time to do that. I didn't send home Buan na Cainte, you don't need it. I will put a picture of the page up on the classroom page, and you can just write out the sentences if you get a chance on a page, okay? Or even if you were to send me again a Buckaroo, because it is the most important thing with our Gaeilge is to be able to speak it, okay? Reading it and writing it is wonderful, but our speaking of the language is the most important part, so that would be great. And again, just a short little video on the French Revolution from Horrible Histories. It's really funny. I know how much you like Horrible Histories, and even for our Zoom call, if you were to look up some facts about the French Revolution to share at the Zoom call, that would be great. Remember, the more unique and interesting the facts, the better. Okay, and all the same stuff there. So have a great day, guys, and I hope to see as many of you as possible at the Zoom class. And remember, if you can't make it, or if someone else in your house needs to be on Zoom or needs a laptop, that's fine. Don't worry about that. Talk to you soon.